Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PS4 controller to your PC. First, for a simple wired connection, grab a micro USB cable. Plug one end into your controller and the other into an available USB port on your computer. Your PC should automatically detect the controller, and you can start playing compatible games right away. This method is straightforward and ensures a consistent, lag-free experience, perfect for uninterrupted gaming sessions. For wireless freedom, connect your controller via Bluetooth. First, open your PC's Bluetooth settings and ensure it is turned on. Next, on your PS4 controller, simultaneously press and hold the share button and the central PlayStation button until the light bar begins flashing rapidly. On your PC, select Add Bluetooth or other device, then choose Bluetooth and pick Wireless Controller from the list. If prompted for a PIN, enter 4 zeros. To unlock full compatibility and customization, consider using DS4 Windows. This free, open-source software makes your PS4 controller appear as an Xbox 360 controller, which most PC games natively support. After downloading and extracting the files, launch DS4 Windows and follow the prompts to install essential drivers, such as VI-GM Bus. Once set up, you can personalize button layouts, adjust sensitivity, and even change the light bar color to your preference. If you encounter issues, first ensure your controller is charged and try a different USB cable. A quick reset can also help. Use a small pin to press the reset button on the controller's back for about 5 seconds. For Steam games, open Steam, go to Settings, then Controller, and check PlayStation configuration support. You can also add non-Steam games to your Steam library to utilize this support, expanding your gaming options.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.